Hi. It's a question of CAT 2021 slot 3. It's a word problem based on what quadratic equation? What's given here? The total number of shirts are 64 in two sizes, small and large. The price of the term, since the total number of shirts are given equal to 64, let's assume that large and small. The number of large shirts are, let's say, y. So small will become 64 minus y. So it says that y should be less than 64 because the sum is 60. The other thing is the price of the small shirt was 50 less than that of the last shirt. Let's say the price of the last shirt is X. Small will become how much? X minus 50. So it shows that X has to be what greater than 50. Yes, sir. What else is given? She paid a total of 5,000 for the last shirt. That is X into Y. How many last shirts are there? Y and the price was X. So X into Y must be equal to 5,000. Yes or no? And the other thing is she paid 1800 for the small shirts. That means X minus 50 into the number of small shirts are 64 minus 5. This product has to be how much? 1800. This is equation number one. This is equation number two. Two variables are there. You'll have to eliminate y out of these two. After that, you'll be left with the quadratic equation, and after that, you'll have to solve it to get the value of x here. It's a very lengthy process because the terms will be in thousands. Now, let's look at the other method. I know that x into y must be equal to what? 5,000. Where y is the number of shirts, large shirts. So it has to be an integer. And we also know that y has to be what? Less than 64. And the other equation is x minus 50, price of a small shirt, into 64 minus y is the number of small shirts. It has to be a natural number. This product is given equal to 1800. So let's try to factorize this 5,000. Now 5,000 can be written as 50 into 100. Now one of the values will be for y and the other one will be for x. Now x cannot be equal to 50 because we know that x has to be more than 50. So here I can say that x is 100, y is 50. So the total becomes how much? 5,000. This is one of the ways. It's better we write it like this. X 100, y 50. Now look at this. If x is 100, then x minus 50 will become how much? 50. And y will become 14. But this product is not equal to 1800. That means I'll not consider this case. The other one will be what? Instead of this 100, I can write this as 25, this as 200. If x is 200, x minus 50 will become 150 into y is 25. So 64 minus 25, that becomes 39. But again, this product is not going to give you 1800. That means I'll have to factorize this in another way. 200 into 65. X has to be what? More than 50 and Y should be less than 6400. Okay. The other way would be what? Let's factorize this 5,000. This 5,000 can be written as 50 into 100 or I'll say 25 into 200. Yes or no? What else? We can write it as 125 into 40 also. 125 into 40 will give you 5,000. Now 125 into 40. So let's assume that X is 125 and Y is 40. This product is definitely going to give you what? 5,000. If you stick to these values, look at this. If X is 125, then X minus 50 will become how much? 75. And if Y is 40, 64 minus 40 will give you 24. Now let's cross check it. 75 into 24. Is it 1800? Yes, it is equal to 1800. That means this value will satisfy it. What's the value of X? It's 125. What's the value of Y? It's 40. Now, what he's asking, then the price of the large shirt and small shirt together. The price of the large shirt is 125. Small should be 50 less than that. That is 75. When you add these two values, you get how much? 200. So the correct answer becomes second option.